actually did not have any plans. Sorry that we just spun around. I did not have any plans to vlog today. Mr. Beach, where's the remote as usual? That's how we start all my vlogs. If you're new to my vlog channel, we started off by me looking for the remote so that my TV isn't screaming at you in the background. Okay, so was not gonna vlog today. I was actually gonna plan on doing like a sit down type of video and not so much vlogging because I don't want to necessarily vlog every single day of my life. But for some reason, I decided I wanted to vlog right now. And I'm actually preparing to go out of town. I'm not gonna vlog too much of that, but I am going to go see my daughter. And yeah, so I haven't been back to her university since moving her in, although she has come home since. So yeah, probably due for a visit. And yeah. Oh, I met Loxie's new dog sitter. Even though I do have a friend in the neighborhood, but no, stop it. I did not mean to tease y'all. I still want a professional to, you know what I'm saying? Like I want to pay someone and hire someone just because I want my home to also be taken care of professionally, you know, while I'm gone, you know, the lights, and not that a friend can't do that, but it's just what I like. You know, because then you never know if like they're available, and so it's just, yeah. She actually was referred to me by a friend, so that already feels great, and she's been doing this for a very long time. And most importantly, our Loxie girl loved her. Loved her. And Loxie can get protective and aggressive if she feels any sort of, I don't even know. Loxie typically likes 99% of people that are welcomed and walking through my home. She's obviously not gonna like an intruder, but where am I going with this? I met a dog sitter. Loxie likes her and we've hired her. The end. I couldn't have gone with that. Gorgeous. What are those? Oh God, no. Alright guys, I'm out of breath, but I am getting the front door ready for my porch decorate with me, which you know is going to be on my main channel. But I'm just getting all of the material that I got my camera set up, and I've got all of my pumpkins. Hopefully I have enough, some of my other decor, bits and baubles, and it's time to go. I can't wait to transform this space, and if you want to see what it looks like, I will link the video down below because it will be up before this vlog is up. And yeah, I'm excited. I just got done filming, and oh, earlier today I went and finally got some Zyrtec from Walgreens, and I should have taken it, but my brother said that I need to take it before I go to bed, and it's not bedtime. Oh, I wish I would have had one from last night, because I don't know if you can tell, but oh, I gotta wash my face, blow my nose. I'll be right back. You guys know I'm getting the house ready for nighttime, and I'm about to pop in this movie for the first time. I did like a fall haul with PJs and movies in case you want to see what else I got, and that was on my main channel. So I'm gonna watch The Monster Squad. It's an 80s little jam, and I've never seen it, and you guys know I love the 80s. So let's get ahead. Oh, crap. Okay, so you've got mail in here. And let's get this. I hope there's good like 80s music. Here is the master of the house. And I'm actually making dinner. I'm not ordering in, but unfortunately, LOL, I am making the same dinner that every time I show you guys I'm making dinner, it's this dish right here. So I'm sorry about that. I really don't know what it is about me not showing you all the other stuff I make. I really don't know. It must be some weird mental thing. Alright, so we've got Alex chicken going on, and we need to get that lowered. I have not had this since long before my daughter went to college. Also, here's a view of the rug with proper lighting. I don't even think that I showed you guys kind of what it looked like, even though the sink is looking, well, just looking like an everyday sink, to be honest. So, that's what it looks like. And then just so that maybe you can get a little bit of the kitchen table view. It's hard to give you guys panoramic when I'm filming, but there it is. All right, look how old school that main screen is. Just play in chapters. All right, let's go ahead. Back up and press play. I can't turn these lights on because the battery already ran out. I don't even know how that happened. My Dollar Tree batteries last forever. So I don't know what happened, but I need to put new batteries in. Alright, so I have since had dinner, and I did end up switching to Lord of the Rings, but I just wanted to pick up my camera because I'm really not understanding the situation in this house. I truly am not getting it. And I don't know what to make of it. I know that I like to laugh and make fun of like my ghost situation because that's how I just kind of am. I probably will continue to do that, just to make light of it, because I want to ignore basically that maybe something could be going on. And whenever these moments happen, like I do get scared and I'm confused and the logic in my head is like, this is not possible. And then that feeling goes away because then the house just kind of feels like back to normal, and then I make fun of it and I'm like, oh, my ghost and my spider, and you know. But it's like these sounds as if someone's moving about. And they first actually started, I would hear them all the time in my room, and now I just heard it directly behind me as I was watching the movie, and the movie was really loud. So it wasn't like I was confused about what I was hearing. It came directly behind me. Okay, anyway,